The router that we recommend using with PicPic Slide is the Beryl by GL-iNet. I'll be referring to this router as Baby Blue for the rest of this video. Once you've got Baby Blue plugged in and it's turned on, go to your Wi-Fi settings and find it from the Wi-Fi list. You'll see GLMT1300, and the last three letters or numbers will be different depending on your own device. The password that's default for this device is Good Life. Once you're connected, open up your internet browser and type in 192.168.8.1 and press enter. Select your language, press next. Now you're going to set your admin password. Your admin password is not Good Life. You shouldn't make it Good Life. You should name it anything else except for Good Life, but set your own admin password. The reason why we recommend using Baby Blue is because there is a feature on it that will allow you to automatically kick off anybody who connects to your router. This is important because Baby Blue only allows 40 devices to be connected to it at one time, and your hotspot that you might get from T-Mobile or Verizon will typically only allow 5 devices to connect to it at one time. With Baby Blue, you can connect up to 40 devices, but then you can also automatically disconnect these people after a set amount of minutes. To enable this feature, you need to go to Wireless, and you need to go to 2.4 or 5G guest Wi-Fi and turn it on. We'll do it for 2.4G guest Wi-Fi and we'll enable it. And once you enable it, Baby Blue is going to restart and it's going to disconnect you once this countdown is finished. So you'll see over here, I'm now disconnected from it and Baby Blue is restarting. And let me just refresh to confirm that I'm disconnected. Yep, I'm disconnected because it's not loading. So let me go back here and connect back to it. Okay, so it looks like it finished restarting. Let's refresh. All right, now I'm back on and the guest Wi-Fi is turned on. If you want, you can change the name of this guest Wi-Fi by clicking modify and then giving it any name that you want. But I'm going to leave the name of this alone as it is. The next thing I need to do is go under applications and click captive portal. So we don't need to enable captive portal, but instead you'll see where it says least timeout minutes. Set the timeout to how long you want to give them. So I'm going to set it to 5 minutes. So that means after 5 minutes, anyone who is connected to this guest network will automatically be disconnected. So we'll set that, then we'll click apply. Once you click apply, Baby Blue is going to restart. So we'll give it a moment for it to come back up. Baby Blue is now back online. What's important to remember is that we have turned on guest Wi-Fi and we set the automatic disconnect for anybody who connects to this to 5 minutes. In order for this to work now with PicPic Slide, we have to connect our computer also to that same network. So from your Wi-Fi options, choose the guest hotspot or the guest network that you've created and enter the password for it. So I didn't change my password. My password is still Good Life. So I'm going to put that in. Okay. Once you connect your computer to the guest Wi-Fi, keep in mind you will not be able to access the admin dashboard at 192.168.8.1. That's because you're on the guest network. The guest network is blocked from certain access points on the router. So if you connect to the guest network, remember you will not be able to go back to the admin dashboard. Another thing to remember is that although you're connected to the guest network and we have the automatic disconnect set to 5 minutes, your computer will actually not be disconnected because the router knows that you have accessed the admin dashboard before, and it knows that you have access, so it won't kick you off. But now we need to open PicPic Slide, and we need to tell PicPic Slide that anybody who scans the first QR code should be connected to this guest network. PicPic Slide automatically sees that we are connected to this guest network already, so we'll select it and click OK. But if it doesn't automatically see that, you can go to the QR sharing tab, you can click Available Networks, press Refresh to try to let it find it again. Again, it's found the guest network, or you can just type in the guest network name manually as well as the password. And once you're ready to rock, press Start. If you want to make any additional changes to Baby Blue, make sure you go to your Wi-Fi settings and you connect back to the primary network and not to the guest network. Once you connect back to the primary network, you'll be able to access the admin dashboard again.